Every day, YouTube users in the United States watch over 8,000 years of content, and yet only 9% of small businesses have bothered to start their own channels. As YouTube usage continues to soar, don't let your business be one of the ones that are left behind. In this post, we'll take an in-depth look at setting up a fully optimized YouTube channel for your business and creating great content that engages your current customers and attracts new ones as well. A comprehensive content strategy on YouTube will help you build your brand's identity, showcase your products, and connect with your audience in fresh and exciting ways. Let's get started. To create a YouTube account for your business, you'll need to first create a personal Google+ profile as well as a Google+ page for your business. Once you have that taken care of, you'll be ready to get your YouTube channel started. I've put together an example store on Google+ that I'll be using to guide you through the steps. Here we go. Step 1. Log into the Google+ account associated with your business and head over to the YouTube channel switcher. Step 2. You should see your personal account as well as the option to create a new account for your Google+ business page. Click on your business page. Step 3. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you'd like to create a channel for your business. Click OK. Step 4. Another pop-up will appear notifying you that your YouTube channel and Google+ page will now be connected. Click OK again. Step 5. Congratulations! You're now the proud owner of a YouTube business channel. Okay, so now that you've set up a YouTube channel for your business, let's take some time to get it looking its absolute best. Here are a few easy things that you can do to give your channel a more professional look and make sure that your customers know how to find you online. By default, your channel icon will be linked to your Google+ profile photo. Although your image only needs to show up as a 98 by 98 pixel icon, it's recommended that your picture should be a JPG, BMP, PNG, or non-animated GIF and at least 800 by 800 pixels. Adding channel art is a great way to show off your brand's personality and create a more visually engaging YouTube profile. Your channel art should be under 4 MB and at least 2048 by 1152 pixels, although YouTube recommends going with 2560 by 1440 pixels for best results on all devices. To unlock all of the customization options for your channel, you'll need to click the gear icon in the section beneath your channel art. A pop-up titled Channel Settings will then appear. Look for the Customize the layout of your channel option and enable it. Click Save. You'll now be given a wider range of options sorted into 5 tabs: Home, Videos, Playlists, Channels, and About. Head over to the About tab to edit your store's details. Under Description, give a brief outline of your store, products, and mission. Be sure to also include your contact email as well. For your social media links, include all of your business social media profiles. You can get your links to appear over your channel art by adjusting the drop-down menu. On the right-hand side, you'll find a section titled Featured Channels where you can feature other YouTube channels that are owned by your brand or managed by your employees. While this section may not be useful to you yet, once you expand your YouTube presence it will definitely come in handy. Is your channel ready to go? Awesome! It's time to start thinking about your videos. Video should be an integral part of every business content marketing strategy. It's a fantastic way to provide your customers with high quality, informative, and entertaining content that keeps them coming back again and again. So, with that in mind, let's explore how you can use video to build an audience for your brand. When it comes to creating compelling video content, few things are more effective than great storytelling. Inspiring videos that fit into your business identity are perfect for communicating your brand's image and ideals to a wider audience. These types of aspirational videos should be geared towards building a lifestyle around your brand and showing customers that when they purchase your products, they aren't just buying a thing, they're buying an experience. GoPro has become a leader in this arena with a diverse arsenal of YouTube content that builds an identity of adventure, exploration, and adrenaline around their line of action cameras. From helicopter skydiving to a fireman saving a kitten, their videos showcase the many ways that their customers can use their products to embody the GoPro tagline, "Be a hero." Staying on top of your YouTube SEO is critical if you want to get your videos noticed. Every minute, 400 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube, so you need to be doing everything you can to stand out from the crowd. Every element of your videos, from the title to the description to keywords, can have a huge impact on how prominently they get featured in search results. Let's take a look at how you can improve your ranking on YouTube and get in front of viewers when they need to see you most. Before you start optimizing your videos, you should narrow down which keywords you'll be focusing on. Brainstorm which keywords someone might search to come across your video and run them through a keyword planning tool like Keyword Tool for YouTube to make sure that they're popular search terms. This can also be a solid source of inspiration for future videos. It's a good idea to experiment with keywords and build future content around popular search terms in your industry. One of the most important things that YouTube takes into consideration when determining the quality of your video is its engagement. Encourage your viewers to leave a comment, subscribe, share, favorite, or hit the thumbs up button after they've finished watching to increase your chance of showing up higher in search results. If you want to boost your engagement levels, try running a contest. Giveaways and contests are an excellent way to increase viewer participation and connect with your audience. When YouTube is determining your rank, it will also take your video's view count into consideration. To kickstart your views, make sure that you're distributing your new videos through your email list and all of your business social media channels. The actual format of your video also plays a role in your overall search ranking. Although YouTube can't watch your videos to determine their content, there are a few other things that it looks at to make an educated guess. File name. Be sure to include your target keywords in the name of the file that you're uploading. YouTube will pay attention to it. Length. YouTube considers longer videos to be of higher value, so try to make them as substantial as possible. Title. The title of your video should be concise, descriptive, and feature your target keyword near the start. Description. The longer the description, the better. Add as much content as you possibly can. Include a detailed overview of everything in your video and any relevant resources that your viewers might need. Your keywords should also show up in your description. Tags. You don't have to overload the tags on your videos to get a better ranking, but do your best to include your target keywords and a handful of other associated terms. After covering everything above, you should be on your way to building an audience and maximizing your business potential on YouTube. However, if you're feeling a little adventurous, I've put together some nifty YouTube hacks that you can use to increase your subscribers and generate more traffic for your website. A watermark is perfect for driving new viewers back to your channel and encouraging them to subscribe. These customizable images will be overlaid on every one of your uploads and link back to your channel, making it easy for new viewers to find more of your videos. To add a watermark to your videos, take a look at your channel page and click on Video Manager. This should take you to the Creator Studio where you'll be able to access some more in-depth settings for your account. Once you get to the Creator Studio, click on Channel in the sidebar. A drop-down will appear under Channel. Click on Branding and then add a watermark. You'll now be able to upload an image that will show up in the corner of every one of your videos. It's important to not only be driving people to your YouTube channel, but to also be encouraging them to subscribe while they're there. Whenever you provide a link to your channel, add sub_confirmation equals 1 to the end of your channel's URL and a pop-under will automatically appear on your channel prompting visitors to subscribe. As long as your account is verified, in good standing, and following YouTube's community guidelines, you'll be able to add merch cards to your videos. If you have a Shopify store, you can use merch cards to link your viewers directly to your store to buy the items featured in your videos. If you want to add merch cards to your videos, just head to your video manager and click on Edit for the video that you'd like to add a card to. At the top of your screen, several tabs will appear. Click Cards and then Link Cards and then add in the information for your products. Learn how you can further monetize your YouTube channel in our Creator's Guide to Making Money on YouTube. If you've followed all of these steps closely, you should be growing your business on YouTube in no time. Have any more questions about setting up your YouTube channel? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to help you out.